Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shalu. I hope you all are fit and fine. Friends, if you are watching my video very first time, so I request you, if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. So let's dive into today's topic. Today I am going to tell you how should we create atmosphere for speaking. Friends, if you are a learner, so you face this problem a lot, because I read so many comments that while speaking we don't have atmosphere. So how should we learn? How should we improve our English? So today's video is very important. So watch the video till the end. You will definitely get useful. So without getting any delay, let's get started. Friends, mostly we belong to middle class family, and in middle class family there is no environment of English. Means no one speaks in English. Our teacher, parents, friends, relative, neighbors, everyone speaks in Hindi or their native language. That's why we don't connect with English, and then we face problem while learning English. So atmosphere is very important role for learning English. Do you ever think that how the foreigners children learn English very well? Since its childhood they speak English. How it can possible? Have you ever think? Friends, when I was young, means I was in 9th or 10th, so when I used to listen a foreigner child who speak English, so I used to think that he is very younger than me, and even though he is speaking, why it is possible? How can he is speaking? That time I didn't understand, but now I got understand why it is happening. It's depend only atmosphere. Whatever we listen since our childhood, so we learn that thing. You can take the example of that since our childhood we listen Hindi. From everywhere we listen Hindi. That's why we are fluent in Hindi. We speak in Hindi. Means our native language we are fluent. So it depends environment, atmosphere. So friends, if you have atmosphere, so it's good. If you don't have any atmosphere, so watch the video till the end. You will get so much point by which, so much thoughts by which you can create atmosphere for speaking. So without getting any delay, let's get started. Friends, if you are a student, so it is the best age for learning English, because we connect with English. It's in our course. Okay, we can understand each and every sentence, like construction of sentence, vocabulary, writing, reading, and vocabulary, everything we can understand. And at the age of students, we don't have so much work, so we can concentrate on our study. Even though you don't have any atmosphere for learning English, so friends, you have to do that to find that person who want to learn English like you. So make that group or make any friend who really wants to learn English and practice with them. And in starting, if we make any friend, so we have lots of topic for conversation. So these conversations should be in English. Try to speak in English those conversation, and don't laugh at each other. Encourage yourself and your friend also. If anyone is weak, so help. Because if you are helping anyone in English and teach anyone, so you understand that thing very well and you learn that thing very early. You can try another thing, like whenever you have to go, so you can go together. And what do you see in front of you? So describe that thing in English. So it gives us a good practice for speaking. So don't worry, continue your practice and go ahead. Let's move on those person who goes office. Friends, if we go office, so we don't have time for speak English, for practicing of English. So no need to take out a separate time for learning English. We can learn English by doing our work. If you are office going person, so you can speak English while getting ready. Like if you are wearing your pant, so you can say that I am putting on my pants. If you are putting your shoes, so you can say I am putting on my shoes. I am putting on my tie, and I am applying makeup. I am putting on my watch. You can make these sentences. Whatever you do, you can translate. You have to translate. Okay, you should command yourself whatever you are doing. If you are taking a water, so you can say I have to take water. I have to drink water. Now I am drinking water. By this way you can practice your English. Okay, second way, if you are going by metro, by bus, by train, any vehicle, so watch everything what is happening around you, and you translate that sentence, that things in English. If you do this thing daily, at least 10 minutes, so you can improve very well, and you can tell everything your colleague also. Talk your colleague in English, and whatever you want to speak, try to speak. If you are not able to speak every sentence or each and every sentence, so try small sentences. Okay, speak small sentences, and you can use the bilingual language also, means English and your native language together. So it is good. In starting you will try this, and slowly with the passage of time you will speak, you will explain everything in English. Okay, so let's move on those person who are very busy, means housewife can learn English very easily. We think that we don't have so much time, and when we will practice. No need to take out any time for learning English. We can do also learn English by doing our household chores, as I do. Friends, whenever I do anything, so I try to speak every sentence in English, whatever I know. Even I know what I have to speak this. What is this? This is cushion. Even though whenever I clean my sofa, my couch, so I say I am cleaning my house, I am cleaning my couch, and I am cleaning my cushion. So you have to do the same daily. And while you are doing household chores, you have to do this. And if you are a parent, so it is very good, means sone pe sohaga. Okay, means you can practice with your son, with your child, with your daughter. It gives a best practice. Yes, by this you can teach your child and you can improve your English. Okay, I want to share my experience, yesterday experience, that we were talking in English, and I was telling him that pani is not coming. He told me, Mama, not use pani, say water. So it helps. I realized that yes, I spoke that sentence in that word in Hindi. Whatever I speak, pani is not coming is also good. If you are not able to speak that sentence in English, so you can use, but that is very easy. Water means pani. But he realized me that Mama, you spoke Hindi. So by this way you can improve yourself, you can improve your child also. So this is not a very tough thing for learning English. no need to do anything. So you can take 2 or 3 or 4 or maximum 5 sentences per day and repeat that sentence again and again and try to speak that sentence in daily life. By this way you can also improve. So friends, I hope you understand whatever I told and you will apply in your life, and we'll meet in next video. Till then, keep practicing.